Science and Technology, Part 1st, Board's Activity Sheet, March 2020. Time 2 hours. Total marks 40. Note: all questions are compulsory. Use of calculator is not allowed. The number of the right of the questions indicate full marks. In case of MCQs, question number first A, only the first attempt will be evaluated and will be given credit. For each MCQ, the correct alternative A, B, C, D with sub-questions number is to be written as an answer. Scientifically, correct label diagram should be drawn whenever necessary. Question first, write the correct alternative. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, properties of elements are periodic function of their blank. Answer is atomic masses. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Second, the vapor content in the air is measured using a physical quantity called blank. Answer is absolute humidity. The vapor content in the air is measured using a physical quantity called absolute humidity. Third question, for the normal human eye, the near point is at blank centimeter. Answer is 25. For the normal human eye, the near point is at 25 centimeter. Fourth, the astronomical object closest to us is blank in our galaxy. Answer is moon. The astronomical object closest to us is moon in our galaxy. Fifth, in the Wilflet table method, the particles of gas are separated by blank separation method. Answer is gravitational. In the Wilflet table method, the particles of gas are separated by gravitational separation method. Good. Question first B. Answer the following. First question is, find the odd one out. Voltmeter, ammeter, thermometer, galvanometer. Answer is thermometer. Question second, complete the correlation. Alkene, carbon double bond carbon. Then alkyne contain carbon triple bond carbon. Answer is alkyne carbon triple bond carbon. Question third, state true or false. The frequency of AC is 50 Hz. It is true. The frequency of AC is 50 Hz. Question fourth, match the column A, column B. The wavelength of red light. Answer is B, 700 nanometer. The wavelength of red light is 700 nanometer. Question fifth, name the first artificial satellite sent by Russia in space. Answer is Sputnik 1. Is the first artificial satellite by Russia in space. Question second A. Give scientific reasons. Any two. First is, the weight of object changes from place to place, though its mass is constant. Answer is, weight being a force is a vector quantity and its direction is towards the center of the earth. The value of gravity is not same everywhere, but the weight of an object changes from place to place. Mass is a scalar quantity. Its value is same everywhere. Its value does not change even when we go to another planet. Second question. Stars twinkle, but we do not see the twinkling of planets. Answer is further, the apparent position varies with time as the medium is not stationary. Due to mobility of air and change in temperature, when more light is refracted towards the observer, the star appears bright. When less light is refracted towards the observer, the star appears dim. Question. Compared to stars, planets are relatively closer to the earth. Hence, a planet appears as a collection of a large number of point sources due to the changes in the refractive index of air. There is a change in the position and brightness of these point sources. There is an increase in intensity of light coming from some point sources, while there is a decrease in intensity of light coming from equal number of other point sources. On an average, the average brightness of a planet remains the same. Also, there is no change in the average position of a star. Hence, a planet does not twinkle. Question 3rd. Elements belonging to the same group have the same valency? Answer is the valency of an element is determined by the number of valence electrons in the outermost shell of an atom of an element. All the elements in a group have the same number of valence electrons. Therefore, elements in the same group should have the same valency. For example, the elements of group first contain only one valence electron. The valency of elements of group first is 1. Similarly, of group second, the valency is 2. Question 2b. Answer the following any 3. How much heat energy is necessary to raise the temperature of 5 kg of water from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius? Given m is equal to 5 kg, C is equal to 1 calorie per kilogram degree Celsius, change in temperature is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. Energy to be supplied to water is equal to energy gained by water. Mass of water into specific heat of water into change in temperature of water. M into C into change in temperature is equal to 5 into 1 into 80. Answer is 400 kilocalorie. Heat of energy necessary to raise the temperature of water is equal to 400 kilocalorie. Question 2. Observe the given figure of Fleming's right hand rule and write the labels of A and B correctly. A denote direction of the magnetic field and B denote direction of the induced current. Third question is, observe the given graph and answer the following questions. First question is A. Name the process represented in the figure. Given graph depicts anomalous behavior of water. Question B. At what temperature does the process take place? Answer is, this process takes place at temperature between 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. Fourth question is, complete the given chemical reaction. CuSO4 aqueous plus Fe ferrous solid and form FeSO4 aqueous plus Cu means copper solid. Type of reaction is displacement reaction. Fifth question, write a short note on alloying. A homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal in a definite proportion is called an alloy. The physical properties of an alloy are different from those of its constituent. Alloy are corrosion resistance. Alloy decreases the intensity of corrosion of metals. Examples: brass is made from copper and zinc. 90% copper and 10% tin are used to make an alloy called bronze. Stainless steel is made from 74% iron, 8% carbon and 18% chromium.